1963 Chevrolet Impala here at MGM Classic Cars, guys. This is a big block V8 motor, 454. It's badged as a 427. What does that mean? Well, it's badged as a 427. These 63s did come with the 427 from the factory back in the day. So this is not a real 427. I want to make that clear right out the chute, right out the video. This is a 454 big block motor. Now this car's dressed up as a super sport. Not in all the indications, but one indication would be the grille should have an SS logo. If it was a real SS, this one doesn't. Okay, a real SS car does have bucket seats. A real SS car does have a center console. A real SS car is a 4-speed manual. Now, this car has all these things, but it's not a real SS car. It also has the SS logo here, not a real SS car. So now that we got, and also, if it was a real SS, it would be on the back deck lid as well in 1963. This one doesn't have that. So it's pretty clear that this is not a real SS car. Okay, now we can start. All right, super nice driver, guys. Chrome on the car appears to be original. It's in very good condition. The grille super nice. As you can see, it does have the big block motor with the upgraded headers. You got power steering. Here in the front and rear are drum brakes. How does it brake? It's okay. Can it be better? Absolutely. Aluminum radiator has been added. Your shutoff for the battery has been added. As you can see, you got the aluminum intake with the 4-barrel carburetor. It's tuned really nice too, guys. Runs down the road really smooth, really nice. Paint is nice on the car all around, as you can see. Weatherstripping is in good condition. Doesn't need to be replaced. All your door lips look very good and solid, even underneath. Nice door panel here on the driver's side. Inner, outer door jambs are very nice as well, definitely for the year of the vehicle, guys. As you can see, the bucket seats will get a little bit more involved in that. You got the Riddler chrome wheels. Gives this car a really, really nice stance, which I'll close everything. Here, let me just do that. I want you guys to check out this side profile. It's really, really sharp car. It's got a little raked look to it as well. That's for your fuel here, guys. Okay. Nice straight body, though. Look at this. Real nice. Real taillights are nice and crisp. Their trunk is in great condition as well, guys. You can put a lot of groceries back here. Okay. Moving forward, passenger side, nice and smooth as well with the paint. The wheels really do set off this car. I love the 63 with the rivets here. I really dig that. Passenger side buckets, they're really nice and soft, guys. Rear seat belts, not there. Can be added. Package tray 6x9s in the back, upgraded. Radio installed there. Triple gauge package. We'll get involved in that a little more. Super, super nice. White over black. All right. Let's check out the inside now. Nice and clean in here. You got all your gauges, your lights, wipers, vents. You got your ignition, your lighter, your controllers, your triple gauge package, your original radio. You got your RPM tach there, cluster, clock. Yeah, doesn't work. Sometimes, you know, if you ever take that apart, take an SOS pad and clean off the tips and plug it back in, usually they will work. There's your Pioneer radio there, guys. Let's fire this thing up. favorite part of the day, guys, is test driving these gorgeous, gorgeous classic cars here at MGM. And this is why I started this business of mine 26 years ago. Yep. This thing sounds real nice and healthy. Transmission feels strong on the car. Clutch feels good too. RPM tach, all the gauges, upgraded Pioneer radio. Nice and easy to shift this car. Sounds real good too. Oh man, this light's always a drag. I don't know why I come down this road. Well, no overheating issues, good oil pressure. Woo. Feels like a 353 gear. Power steering feels nice and smooth. You can drive this thing with one finger, guys. Wow, the suspension must have been redone because it's smooth. You hit a bump, you don't hear any rattling in the car. Nice and tightly done. There was a big bump, you didn't even feel it. Great car. MGM Classic Cars, again, our 26th year. I own over 200 cars in my collection here, guys. I buy, sell, trade, fix, restore. Whatever you need with your classics, that's what we do at MGM Classic Cars. We're located at 150 South Church Street in Addison, Illinois. 60101. We got 36,000 square feet indoor showroom. All my cars, 90% of them are all inside for your viewing. We are by appointment only, and that's to make sure we spend the proper time with you, okay? This thing moves. Oh, it's a school zone. I gotta slow down. Oh boy. But anyway, we welcome you guys to come over, man. We're 25 minutes from Chicago O'Hare. We're 45 minutes from Midway Airport. Fly down. Let's go for a test drive together. Hey, listen, I understand if you can't. This is why I do these long videos, because you guys are busy with your everyday life. I totally get it. Buy with confidence, guys. I got over 500 five-star reviews on Google. My customers are happy. I will make you happy with the car. I'm 100% feedback on eBay. So you guys can buy with confidence if you're busy and you don't have the time to come over and check out the car yourself. It's fine. Deliver right to your driveway. Thumbs up wherever you go, guys. Pretty freaking cool. Yeah, we can deliver right to your driveway. All you got to do is text me your zip code and I'll get that over to you. I think downshift's pretty nice too. Yeah, real nice. Down to second gear. credit score is like 640 to like 775, you will need 10% down, guys. Okay. I would say about 4,500 bucks. It's pretty much enough to put down on the car to get approved based off your credit profile. Your sales tax can be added to your loan. Your delivery charge can be added to your loan. So really all you need is about 4,500 bucks and good credit. Good job, good paying job, and you can afford it. We'll get this thing delivered right to your driveway. For that application, go to mgmclassiccars.com. Upper right-hand corner, click the Finance tab, and you'll check out the credit application there. For those of you with a little better credit, 775 and higher, go directly to my lender. It's a no money down option, guys. Lightstream.com. You guys can deal directly with my lender there. All right, we'll get that out of the way, guys. We're going to head back to MGM Classic Cars with over 200 cars in stock. You can go to mgmclassiccars.com and check out all that. I hope you guys liked my video today. I really enjoy spending the time with you guys and showing you how this car drives and runs. I mean, it is fabulous. I love it. I give this thing a really, really thumbs up. Real nice car. We're going to head back to MGM Classic Cars. We are a full service shop for all your automotive needs, guys. My phone number is area code 847-848-1850. Text me your zip code, I get you a quote. Thanks, guys. Enjoy the ride. Woo! Squeal the tires anytime. Enjoy the rest of your day. Thanks for watching MGM Classic Cars.